Join me today on the Pilates Reformer for footwork, one leg at a time.
We're going to put on 2 heavy springs from our reformer, that's 2 red. And what is that? Like a piece of cardboard or something, right? Foot bar. We're going to set our foot bar the whole way up. Yours might go straight up like mine, or it might be angled down slightly. We're going to put it at that highest setting, and we're going to get into some single leg footwork. Now, if we're a single leg, 2 heavies is too much to you, try 1 heavy, 1 medium, 1 heavy, 1 light. Anything, you're gonna find that weight, that sweet spot that you're like, okay, that's enough, that I'm working, but I'm able to go through all this movement without fatigue to the end. All right, lying down, I'm gonna place my head rest the whole way up of this, because there's gonna be something that will repeat our leg above and through the bar. I wanna be able to see where my foot's going. I've stubbed my toe a number of times, and having some vision and looking in the direction where I'm going helps me not to do that. Okay, so before we switch that single leg, let's go up on our toes, parallel right here, and we'll just press out and return, gently getting those legs working, feeling how we distribute the weight through both legs, and we're going to see to do that on just 1. Sliding back in. Now we're going to go that single foot. The left foot, we're going to put the arch of the foot onto our bar right here. And we're going to bicycle pedal this leg while we're pushing right. So we're going to pull in, bicycle up and straight down while we're taking this movement here. So as we push out of the way, the knee draws in, we lift straight up and come forward. So lots of coordination, getting your mind turned on and your body. One more, and then we're going to go for a single leg scissor. So as we press the leg straight out, that leg is going to lift straight up and then come back down to the bar. Think about both legs being straight at the same time. Makes sense logically. All right, next movement here. We're going to push out, tuck the knee, go under the bar, tuck the knee as you push out, go over the bar. That's 1. 2. Feel how your core is at play in the position of your outstretched leg. Two more sets. Good. Right here, we're going to bend back into the stopper. Now, we're going to go into a bottom lift. We're not super heavy on our springs, so you're going to feel your reformer slide out a little bit with you. That's okay. We're not going to hyper focus on that. We're going to take 5 bottom lifts and then 5 with extension. So we're just going to keep this leg in tabletop that's not on the foot bar. I'm going to peel up and fold back down. All right, we did an extra one there. All right, so we're going to lift up with that bottom lift and we're going to take extension. We're going to keep the hips high, press out, and draw back in. 2, whoa mama. 3, 4, and 5. Bring it in, bring the leg down. All right, now we're going to take those feet, just place the heels on the bar, And our legs are gonna feel weird and different. We've been working one and not the other. We're gonna take just a couple to ground us here with both feet on the bar, and then we're switching to the other side. Feel how worked your left is in comparison. All right, now taking the arches of the right foot comfortably into that bar. We're gonna do the single leg bicycle. So the knee is gonna come out as we reach tall, lengthen out long, and then come down straight. Good, now scissor leg with that straight leg lift, just extend and then come down. Two more. Good. Now, as we press up, bend the knee in. Take that leg straight under the bar as we bend back in. Lift, press out. Leg comes straight over the bar. And that's one. Last set, under and over. Good. Bend all the way back in. Get ready for that bottom lift on the single leg. Coming up and down. All right, give yourself just a second. We're gonna come up to that bottom lift and take extension for 5. Trying to keep those hips up in the air. You're gonna calm down constantly as you're going, and that's okay. Peeling up. Press up straight for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! And now it's all the way down. Awesome. Now let's come into the heels on the bar, and let's press out here. Again, just trying to even things out. We've been working those legs really separately. Let's take one final exercise. We'll take wide feet, toes, those toes wide on the edge of the bar. Press out and let yourself come in nice and deep to that stopper. Good. Bring that all the way in. Well done.
I hope that you've enjoyed this work on the Reformer today. If you want to join me for my full Pilates Reformer classes, you can do so by joining me on my online studio on Patreon. All that information is in the write-up below. And you can find more Reformer work right here on YouTube. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Hit the like button to let me know that you want to see more like this, and the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. See you next time in the studio.